four foremost features of voice culture. The feature number one, understanding how voice is formed and how the words are created. Now, this includes A. Mechanics of sound, B. Understanding human voice box, C. The breathing, shallow breathing versus deep breathing, and the effect of breathing on the speech. Lastly, in this section, role of speech organs. There are 5 speech organs: jaw, tongue, teeth, lips, and palate, and how they affect your speech, how they affect the words that you create. This is what we must understand. Now, second is aligning thoughts with speech. Thoughts are 10 times faster than the speech. These come randomly and are often disconnected. It is necessary for us that we must organize our thoughts. Next, exercises to improve memory and exercises to align memory with thoughts and speech. This is also extremely important. Lastly, in this section, understanding pace and volume. Pace is number of words per minute, and volume is how loud you speak. So these are also important. Voice culture, also the next step, the next feature of voice culture is confidence building. Confidence is essential for a relaxed and effective voice. It is essential to bring power in voice, forward placement, in order that the front seater does not have the jarring effect, while the person sitting in the last row is also able to understand is forward placing, and that is something which we must practice as a part of voice culture. Next step is developing a resonance in the voice. Now, some people have very flat voice, so there are resonators are not activated. We have lots of resonators, lots of molecules, lot of muscles in the in our voice box, and we have to activate them. Lastly, in this section is depth of your voice. Depth. How deep it is, how it appears that you are speaking from the heart. That is something which touches the listener. Then the fourth feature, how to culture your voice. Fourth, how to culture your voice. In this, importance of breath, right use of the speech organs, using modulation techniques, listening your voice to constantly observe and influence and improve. These are the things which we have to adhere to, which we have to take care of in this voice culture exercise. In short, it is constant improvement by mental and physical exercises.